Hello, this is Mr. Heeb, and I want to talk to you about setting up the functions to make this work. So first off, we need to have commands for each of rock, paper, and scissors. I'm going to work on rock, and I want to see if you will be able to do the other two on your own. So first off, we go into our rock, and then I'm going to make a command here. And I'm going to just have the command be rock. Alright, so that means that who's ever playing chose rock. So we're going to create a definition called rock. And then we're going to see what happens. Now, we have to use randomness. We're going to have the computer just pick randomly rock, paper, scissors. And so when we use randomness, I'm going to import random. And I want to randomly choose from a list. And so the only possible answers are rock, paper, and scissors. So I want to randomly pick out of that list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do random.choice, these possible answers. And just so you can see that this is working, I'm going to print this right now. And let's see what happens. So when I click on a rock, as you can see down in my shell, it's randomly picking rock, paper, or scissors. Oh, finally a scissors came up. Great. Looks like it's going through all of them quite well. That's exactly what we wanted. But we don't want to just print it in the shell. Of course, that won't do us any good on our GUI. So we're going to have this answer and be saved as, call it computer answers. Answer, because I guess it's just one answer. And so now we have to think about what happens when we get rock. So if computer answer, comp answer I should say, is equal to rock, we're going to have it print tie. So now the printing is we want it to just be on the bottom, and we don't want it to continually go on the bottom. So we're going to modify the result. So it would be result.value equals tie. Now elif comp answer equals paper, the value is going to, so if you chose rock but the computer got paper, we'd say you lose, paper covers rock. Now I am not going to get into why paper can possibly beat a rock, but I'm sure somebody has a good explanation somewhere. Now finally, result.value, so if it's not rock and it's not paper, so the else is if it is scissors. So we print you win. Rock beats scissors. Now let's check and see how this works. So this is only going to work for rock. If I click on rock, it's a tie. I win, I lose. Win, lose, and so on. Now paper and scissors do nothing, and that's what I want you to figure out to do the paper and scissors functions.